got a woman, she's 6 foot tall, sleeps in the kitchen with the feet in the hall. Hey, hey, boss, take a whiff on me.
Hi there. So that video you've just seen was a new goat here. Don't know much about her history, but her hooves were probably one of the worst I've ever seen. I've got a new angle grinder attachment which I use to get them nice and flat, and then I'm still using the clippers just to dig out or cut off any excess that you don't want to spend ages doing. Because I don't think she's ever been on a milking stand, but this is Penny. She was our milker for a while. She's quite happy just to jump up there. So yeah, I've got to do all the hooves today, and hope you enjoy the video.
Everybody take a whiff on me. Everybody take a whiff on me. Hey, hey, boss, take a whiff on me. Everybody take a whiff on me. Everybody take a whiff on me. Hey, hey, boss, take a whiff on me. I've been driving around trying to do what I can, trying to find a good woman who wants a bad man. Hey, hey, boss, take a whiff on me. See, I got a woman, she's 6 foot tall, sleeps in the kitchen with her feet in the hall. Hey, hey, boss, take a whiff on me. Everybody take a whiff on me. Everybody take a whiff on me. Hey, hey, boss, take a whiff on me. Everybody take a whiff on me. Everybody take a whiff on me. Hey, hey, boss, take a whiff on me. Well, hey, hey, fellas, have you heard the news? Well, I ain't got the night, got cocaine blues. Hey, hey, boss, take a whiff on me.
So that's all the ones in the barn done. Now I've got to go out to the field and do the few out there. Yeah, I hope this video is semi-interesting to somebody. Like and subscribe.